Trixie and our other dog Rudy are going to be so happy when they try out what we just got. We have 2 Comfort and Relax memory foam pet mattresses. So we just got 2 new memory foam pet bed mattresses for our dogs. These mattresses come in 5 different sizes. Right now, right in front of us, we have the 28 by 18 mattress, which is for small to medium-sized dogs. And here we have the 34 by 22 mattress, which is for medium-sized dogs. Pug here likes to sprawl out, so I chose the medium-sized one that I just took away for her, and for our other dog, Rudy, who is an older mixed breed dog, the one that we are showing right here. These mattresses are so comfortable and soft, yet they also provide support since they contain premium Shred Tech memory foam. That's a fancy, really fancy pillow for a dog. Are you excited? These have a waterproof cloth bottom, that right here, and they're even machine washable. These beds are tightly sewn, so there should be no problem with leaking, and they also don't have a chemical odor. The charcoal gray color will not show dirt or even some color hair easily. My dogs are all about comfort, so I can't wait for Trixie here to relax on her new bed.
So Trixie, you like the medium-sized bed, not the small medium.
Yeah. All right. So.
No, you can't have both. One is for Rudy, one's for the other dog.
Oh. She really likes her new bed.
That's pretty fancy, a dog having memory foam.
Oh, yes it is.
She looks so comfortable.
Yeah, she really likes it. Alright, so that is all we have today on the Comfort and Relax Memory Foam Pet Bed. Trixie loves it, and I'm sure your pet will too. Thanks for watching.